Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we will see that how we can fix our pen drive issue. So here's the pen drive issue is like that. You can see here's the USB drive E that is showing that the device pen drive is inserted but not showing any data like any storage. What is the capacity of this pen drive? Like here you can see in the local disk C and D, here it is showing that 183 GB free of 237, and in the same way in the new volume D. So for that, how we can fix it? So we will have to be stay on this YouTube channel, right? So first we will click on the files options, and then we click on the this PC, and here we will click on the USB drive E because we have to perform the operation in this. So here we will click on the computer, then we'll go to the manage options. In the manage options, let them open. Okay, so now here we will click on the storage, and as we click on the storage there will be option of disk management. On disk management we will click here, and we'll see for the more actions, then it will be visible for everything. Like you can see here it is showing that disk 1 partition, disk 1 partitions, and here you can see disk 2 is a removable E, right? So yeah, this is the removable device. So disk 2, here's the storage 57.30 GB, whereas our pen drive's capacity is a 64 GB, right? So that's why it is a storage is given by the company. And as you can see in the disk 0 and disk 1 it is showing that healthy, but in the disk 2 it is showing as unallocated, right? So how we can fix this issue? We will click here on the right side, and here will the options of new simple value. Then we will come to welcome to the new simple volume wizard. We will click on the next, right? After the next, here it is showing that what is the storage of the pen drive is and what the size you want to in the partition you want, but we don't want any partition, so we will just simply click on the next. So you will have to just simply click everywhere on the next, finish, right? So it can take a little bit time because it will take time to refresh and perform that particular operation. For that we have given to the computer for the instructions, right? Now we can see here that it is not showing any inserted device. So what can be the issue? We will check again because it can take some time. Now you can see here the blue line has completed because its a primary partition has been done, and the new volume will be F. Now you can see. So to check this, we can simply create here new folder as well. So we will again open, and we will click here for the we are going to create a new folder. You can see. So now it is working. So I hope you really loved this video. If you are new user and you have visited first time in my YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and share.